Hello, my name is Daniela, but the people say me Pili. I am from Venezuela. I am here because I have the opportunity to be here in Slovenia to do a new life, to do a new ideas project. So I always think about what is the best thing that I can do to be part of the society, of this new language, new culture, new people, new friends, and I think the volunteer is the best option to do that. What I did before this project, I was doing ballet class, dance class, yoga and pilates with children, young people and adult people, face to face, in a classroom and something like that. What is the experience to change me? I think that the person, the people, the human always be in constant change. So it's not only one moment, it's day by day. So I think that we need change every day. It's not just a moment. My difficult with this project, it was making films, recording films, because I really don't like do that thing. So it was a very good experience to do that, and now I feel comfortable when I do the things. My team always say, don't worry about it, enjoy it, what do you like to do, and just do it. This experience is different because our dance teacher, we always need to be in contact with the studies. So in this moment when you have a screen in your face, it's like, okay, we need to keep the motivation, we need to do new things, more things, because I can't say nothing, I can touch, just only see and do the best for the students. Now I like to make videos and do online class with my students.